Just a note before we begin, to take advantage of the 1 month free option for the EDM program, just set up an account and that's it. You'll have access to the EDM's complete EDM program and all the current calculators. You can cancel anytime, no problem. Just try it out and see for yourself all the features the program offers. Now let's get started. From EDM's homepage, select the Module tab from the navigation bar. The EDM module access page is displayed. From the selection list, scroll down to the high voltage transformer calculator and click. The high voltage power transformer calculator is displayed. So the power calculator is where the program starts determining the electrical parameters to size the transformer. Typical of all EDM modules, the calculator first identifies the project, transformer electrical code, and so on. So from here you can start a new project or download an existing one. Let's start with the new transformer. So the first thing we do is we identify the project. Let's call this new project EDM_test1. We'll call the transformer TFR_1 and we'll save the transformer. Before we continue, let's save our calculations that we've just made. Okay, let's bring back the saved project and transformer. From the existing project dropdown, select EDM_test1. From the existing transformer dropdown, select EDM_T1. And there it is. Our saved file is back. Okay, we now start building our installation design. We'll start by filling in the transformer selection table, selecting the parameters of the transformer we're designing. The first selection is the type of transformer. From the drop-down selection, choose multiple windings. Continuing on through the primary voltage, select 230 kV, secondary voltage 69 kV, tertiary voltage 2300. Impedance is 7.5%. This is not calculated but just a generally accepted percentage for large transformers. The connection is delta Y. The insulating oil is paraffinic oil. For most information on these designations, simply move the cursor over the input box and click. For more detailed discussion on transformer oils, for example, see the reference notes in the navigation bar. To continue, our cooling designation is ONA/ONAF/ONAF. For the tap changer selection, we'll select the on-load tap changer. Again, more information on these designations, simply move the cursor over the input box and type click. The notes on the designation types and functions are there at your fingertip. These are just some examples of the many secondary features of the EDM program. So we have completed the selection for the transformer parameters. Now we'll move on to the selection of the basic insulation levels for the transformer's insulators. From the BIL selection table, choose the primary insulation level dropdown. From the input unit column, choose the primary voltage of 230 kV. From the BIL column, choose the BIL level of 900 kV. The transformer neutral is automatically sized. Both the secondary and the tertiary sides of the transformer are selected in the same way. So once the BIL levels are selected, we can move on to selecting the size or the power capacity of the transformer in MVA units. For our demonstration, we'll select a 20 MVA transformer with the following parameters. The primary is 20 MVA, the secondary is 18 MVA, and the tertiary is 2 MVA. EDM now calculates all the values associated with the chosen size of the transformer. Now all the electrical parameters of the transformer have now been calculated. The sizing of the transformer is now complete. Just a note at the bottom of the table is a formula associated with the MVA totals. If the totals are not equal, a red warning indication will appear letting us know that there is something wrong within the selection process. Now let's see the results of our selections. First, we want to create a single-line diagram of the transformer. This is the start of the blueprinting of our design. From the transformer navigation bar, select CAD generator. From the options, choose single-line diagram. You notice that you have a choice to orientate the drawing either horizontal or vertical. We'll leave it in the vertical option and choose generate CAD, and the drawing is generated. It's as simple as that. Now this is a very simplistic single-line diagram, but we've just started. We'll add on to this drawing in the next series of videos, also adding AC and DC schematics, wiring diagrams, as well as completing the single line diagram. So with just a few selections, we have the high voltage transformer sized and the information generated and saved. Again, it's that simple. In our next video in this series, we'll look at the transformer CT selection. Also, a different series of videos called Quick Highlights, we'll look at how we can use EDM's Quick Calculator, which is free, in conjunction with this page to confirm all the calculations that we've just made. Look for it on EDM's homepage or on the EDM YouTube channel. See you there.